Hello, children. Good morning. Good morning, children. See who is with me? She is Priya. Priya, what happened? Why you are looking so sad today?
Oh, nobody is my friend. Nobody is liking me. I am so upset. Nobody is talking with me.
Why nobody is talking with you? What happened?
I don't know, teacher. Nobody is my friend.
Come on, I'll teach you today a very important topic related to your sadness. Come on, you listen teacher carefully and apply in your day-to-day life. So you will never be upset. Okay, Priya?
Okay, teacher.
Then now teacher will today teach you very important topic. Okay, children, are you ready? See, look here what teacher is going to teach you today. What is written here? Some magic words. Yes, they are magic. They do the magic. You want to see? Come on. There are three magic words. There are three magic words. Sorry. Yes. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. May I please? May I please? There are three golden words. Sorry. Thank you. May I please? And these words does magic when we speak. What are the magic words? These magic words are very simple words that we have to use in our interaction with elders, younger, and with teachers and with stranger person. So it shows our behaving and how we have groomed. Okay, children. So magic words are very important in our life because they gives us respect in life. If we use magic words, we are respected everywhere. Yes, children. These are very simple words, but nowadays we are not using. But we should use. Today, teacher will teach you why you should use these words. So definitely after listening teacher you all will use these words. I am pretty sure that after watching this video you all will start wishing your parents, wishing your teachers, and you will use all the these golden words, polite words in your day-to-day life, and that are very essential, children. Yes, if you want to be a something in the life, you have to use this. So if you want to like by others, then you should use this golden words, magic words. Magic words has magic in that, so you always use these words. Sorry, thank you, may I please. Come on, repeat, children. Please. Sorry, thank you, may I please. These golden words you should use. Okay, children, always you should use these golden words, and remember that these are very important in your life. Okay, children. Yes, single rhyme on magic words. Come on. I need something, I say please. I need something, I say please. Please, please, help me, please. Please, please, please. I say sorry when I do wrong. I say sorry when I do wrong. Sorry, sorry, sorry. When I get something, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. When I get something, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, children, this is the magic word song. You all learn, children. Okay, children. Now we are going to do activity on the magic words. teacher has given you a very simple activity today. Teacher has taken the roll of the newspaper and tied a thread on this roll. Okay, now teacher is going to stick the golden words here. Okay, come on. Which golden word is this? The please. Okay, so we'll stick here please. Okay, now which golden word is there? Excuse me. So we will stick here excuse me. Okay, children. Now tell me which golden word is this? I am sorry. Okay, so we'll stick here I am sorry. And which golden word is this? Thank you. So teacher will stick here. See children, we have made this hanging. Okay, so children, please hang in your house. Okay, we can hang this magic words in our house, so they will remind you to use this golden words. Okay, they are please, thank you, I am sorry, and excuse me. When we use these all words, we use please whenever we want something from somebody. May I please? Then whenever somebody gives us something, we say thank you. And whenever we do wrong things, we use sorry. We use sorry. And whenever you want something from someone, which we say excuse me, can I borrow your pencil? Then you should not interrupt in the middle when they two elders or other people are talking. You should say excuse me, pardon please. Okay, so these are our golden words. Okay children, this activity will help you to remind you these are the golden words we have to use every day. Okay children, yes. Who is say? Oh, Priya. Oh, wow. Now you are looking very happy. And who gave you this crown?
God fairy came and she gave me. She appeared because I was saying very good words. Excuse me.
Yes, what happened, Priya? Yes, Priya, you were using the golden words and the fairy appeared and gave you this lovely crown. Wow, you are looking so good in this crown and you are looking very happy. See the magic. You saw the magic of the golden words. How you got this crown? So you are now liked by everyone. Yes?
Yes, teacher. I am liked by everyone now. I am very happy.
Oh wow, I'm so happy that you are liked by everyone. I am very glad.
I'm very glad. I'm very happy. Everybody is now my friend. Teacher, thank you for reminding me to use the golden words. Now I will tell every day to my parents also. I will wish them in the morning good morning, and at night I will wish them good night. I will respect my parents and I will be very polite with my friends, and I will use sorry, thank you, may I please.
Okay, very good, Priya, very good. I'm so happy, Priya. Today you learned the good manners and now you are behaving very well. Your behavior is very well. I'm so happy. Well done. Now, this gift is for you, Priya.
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome, Priya. You are welcome.
Excuse me, teacher. Can I go now?
Yes, Priya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now say bye-bye to all the children.
Bye-bye. I'm very happy. You all use golden words. Okay, I also am going to use the golden words. Bye-bye, children.
Bye. Say bye-bye. All children, please tell the bye-bye to Priya. See, yeah. See, Priya is so happy after using the golden words. You all use, okay, children? Yes. Yay. And I get something I use. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, children. Whenever we get something, we use thank you. And we use you are welcome. See here, this girl has birthday. So the friend is giving gift. So she is telling thank you. And in return, she is telling you are always welcome. Yes, like that. Polite words you should use, children. Should always use polite words. If you will use polite words, your mummy, your grandparents, teachers, all will appreciate you and be famous. Yes, children. So, if you want to like by others, then you should use this golden words, magic words has magic in that. So you always use these words: sorry, thank you, may I please. Come on, repeat, children. Sorry, thank you, may I please. These golden words you should use. Okay, children? Always you should use these golden words. And remember that these are very important in your life. Okay, children? Teacher will come with the more exciting topics and with the surprises. Till then, you all practice at home and do your homework. Yes, and obey your parents, greet your parents, give respect to your teachers. Okay, children? Bye. See you soon.